Hello everyone, this is Jen from Nova3d. Today I'm gonna introduce our new released Resin printer, Bene4. Wow, just can't wait. Let's unbox it. Okay, the box is opened. As we can see, there is a foam inside. And it's well organized, and the printer is well protected, pretty, firm and sturdy. Alright, we have taken everything out. Let's take a close look at the accessories. There is a Resin Vat and power adapter and cable, one funnel and a filter. We can use this together to recycle the resin. 2 pairs of gloves, a USB flash drive. You can use it for offline printing. We get a tool bag here, and there is one spatula and a plier inside. And you can also see the Allen keys here. This is a pack of spare screws used in different places. Here's the spray bottle. It's useful when you try to clean the model with alcohol. Nova3d also get a spare FEP include. This is the user manual. Please read it before printing. That's all the accessories included. Okay, we got everything ready. We should start to set it up. We install the flip-up user case firstly. Take out the screws in the pack and install the case. Well, it's done. We prepared different plaques for different countries such as US, EU, JP, UK, and CN. Alright, let's power it on. Then we need to peel off the protective film on the 2K screen and the touch screen. Next, let's go to the menu. Go down the platform. Then first printing platform is semi-auto leveled, thus we should take an A4 paper to calibrate the platform. Put the A4 paper in between, lower the platform by minimum distance, then move the paper and feel the friction. Once we get uniformity force exertion, it's well done. At last, we should tighten the screw and the platform. Finally, lift up the platform and install the Resin Vat. Pour the resin in, and we can choose the file in the menu. Then get to print. Our prints have finished. It seems that our Bene4 is doing well.